Alright, a couple of important information for the Galaxy Watch users out there. Recently, Samsung released the latest security patches for the Galaxy Watch 8 series, and it is now available for the Galaxy Watch 7 series as well as the Galaxy Watch Ultra series LTE variants. If you are an LTE variant user, you might have been waiting for this update, and now it's available, so you can go ahead and check out the update and install it on your Galaxy Watches. This is the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2024, and this of course is the LTE variant. That is the only variant that we get. And you can see the software update is available. Let me just scroll down here. You can see this is the security patch. The latest version ends with, let me just check, BZE1, and the size is about 170.65 MB. Security patch level for 5th May. And the same update is available for the Galaxy Watch 7 regular as well. You can see this is the Bluetooth variant. Let me go to the settings. Let me just first turn on the Wi-Fi here. Let me tap on software update. And let me tap on download and install. You can see update your watch, it says. Let me scroll down here. Again, this is the security patch for the month of May. And the size is 169.83 MB. And the version number ends with BZE1, One UI Watch 8.0. So the update is available now for the older watches as well. So you guys go ahead and install it. The next information is about the One UI 9 based on Wear OS 7. Google has released the Wear OS 7 for the Pixel devices, and there is something exciting here. Google says the battery performance, the battery life on the Pixel devices will increase up to 10% on the latest Wear OS 7, which means the same Wear OS 7 will be available for the Galaxy Watches, which will run on One UI 9 skin, and that will be made available once the latest Galaxy Watches launch next month. So next month is going to be quite exciting, and those watches will probably come with the One UI Watch 9 based on Wear OS 7, and the battery on those watches would be optimized and should perform better on the Galaxy Watch 9 series. Next, there were rumors about the Galaxy Watch 9 Classic getting released along with the Watch Ultra 2, but that seems to be not true. The Galaxy Watch 9 Classic will be releasing probably next year, not this year. That is a leaked information. There is no official confirmation, but as we all know, we get the Classic versions and the Ultra versions alternative year. It would not be a surprise to see only the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 and the Galaxy Watch regular getting launched this year. Next, there is a brand new Samsung Health application which is getting released. And Samsung has delayed that update, and apparently this update has started rolling out now. This new app will showcase some of the upcoming features of the Galaxy Watch 9 series. Samsung seems to have integrated AI into Samsung Health application now. We've got something called Vitals, a better understanding of the body's signals. Samsung says previously Samsung Health monitored specific health metrics to help measure your daily energy score. Now we are taking this a step further. The new Vitals feature analyzes 5 health metrics while you sleep: heart rate variability, respiratory rate, skin temperature, and blood oxygen against the user's resting baseline, and identifies shifts from your usual patterns. So that's something brand new. Then we have Heart Health Score. This single daily metrics takes insights such as sleep, stress, and activity and combines them with body composition data. The result is a unified score that clearly identifies lifestyle factors that impact your heart health. That's what Samsung says. So that is something new. We've got something called Daily Cardio Load. Then we've got Fitness Index. So Samsung is bringing in some AI features on the Samsung Health application. That is something cool. As soon as we get the update, I will deep dive into it and let you know, guys, how exactly these features work. So stay tuned for that video. For now, go ahead, update your Galaxy Watches, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you find this video informative. We also offer a wallpaper application called Wallverse. It has got some brilliant wallpapers. Go ahead and check it out. The link for the app is in the description. There are some amazing wallpaper collections available on this application. You will see both free and premium wallpapers, and you will also see some video wallpapers available on the app. Go ahead and check it out. The link for the app is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.